Welcome to AI for All. This is a place to understand artificial intelligence in a calm, simple way, without jargon and without the hype. Today we're starting at the very beginning. What is AI, really? AI is talked about everywhere right now, but most explanations make it feel complicated, confusing, or even a little frightening. That's usually because people start with technical language instead of starting with a simple idea. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. But the name sounds more dramatic than the reality. At its simplest, AI is a system that learns patterns from data and then uses those patterns to make predictions. That's it. AI is very good at one thing: recognizing patterns at scale. For example, spotting faces in photos, predicting the next word in a sentence, or noticing unusual behavior in large sets of data. Humans can do these things too. AI just does them much faster and across far larger amounts of information. What AI is not is a brain. It doesn't think, it doesn't understand the world, and it doesn't have intentions. When AI writes or speaks, it isn't expressing thoughts or emotions, it's identifying familiar patterns and choosing what usually comes next. Understanding this matters, because when we imagine AI as something human-like, fear tends to grow. But when we see AI for what it really is, a tool designed by people, trained on data, and limited by how it has been built, we can think more clearly about how it should be used. In this channel, we'll take AI one small idea at a time. No hype, no fear, just clear explanations. Next, we'll look at what AI isn't and why that distinction matters. Thanks for spending a few minutes here. I'll see you next time.